Hello and welcome back to our channel. We just returned from an amazing 6-week tour of Germany with some quick stops in the Czech Republic and Austria. It was a brilliant adventure and we're really excited to share it with you over the next few months.
Here's a quick rundown of the places we visited. We started in Cologne, a fantastic city with its stunning cathedral. We took a day trip to Düsseldorf to visit the Caravan Salon show. After that, we had a one-night stop at Bielefeld. Then we headed to Bremen, home of the famous town musicians.
And next was Lübeck, a beautiful town famous for its marzipan. And after Lübeck, we made our way to Berlin for a few days. What an amazing city that is. Dresden was next, probably our favourite city with its stunning Baroque architecture. And then we popped into Prague in the Czech Republic for a few days.
We had a quick stopover in Pilsen, also in the Czech Republic. Salzburg in Austria was our next destination, which was absolutely stunning.
On the way back, we stopped over in Bad Abbach in Germany. And after that, we spent some time in Munich, including a visit to the famous Oktoberfest. That's a place to behold. Rothenburg was next with its medieval charm, and it was a real highlight of our trip, definitely was.
Then we headed to Bussberg, another beautiful town. Miltenberg was a one-night stop, but what a gem. Finally, we had a 2-day stop over in Kassel to visit the family. And then a short stay in Eindhoven in the Netherlands before heading home.
So throughout this trip, we'll be producing videos on the key sites we visited. Now the first video should go live this Wednesday, 23rd of October, probably around about 6 p.m. if I get things done in time. So we'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you prefer the videos to cover both the campsite or Stellplatz and then the city together? Or would you have it just like one video on the Stellplatz stroke campsite and then a separate video on the city? Let us know in the comments below. Now for a few tips if you're thinking of travelling to Germany. Campsites in Germany are very different to those in the UK. They're often grass only and seem to be much more basic. So when we score them in the subsequent videos, it'll be based on the average German site rather than trying to compare them to the British sites. Now out of the 9 sites we visited that offered electricity, 3 used the European style plug rather than one we're more familiar with in the UK, so remember to bring the right adapters. Now on European motorways, instead of gradual turn-offs up towards roundabouts as you get over here, you'll often find quite sharp turns, and these take you onto large loop-and exits, so something to be prepared for. We found it surprisingly difficult to buy sugar-free drinks in Europe. Apart from Coke Zero, there was virtually nothing else. Even in the popular stores like Lidl's and Aldi, which in the UK sell lots of sugar-free drinks, over there not a lot, so be prepared. Another surprise was the difficulty in finding fresh pasteurised milk. Most of the milk we could find was long life, and even if you go to Starbucks or a cafe there and buy a coffee, it tasted a bit different because of the milk they use. While we're in Europe, in fact whenever we're outside of the country, we nearly always use our Revolut card for most of the transactions. The exchange rates are always very close to the advertised rates, and we've always been very happy with Revolut. Now if you're going to stay at Stellplatz, make sure to bring plenty of euro coins with you. That's for the water and electricity. Now we typically pay between 60 cents and 80 cents per kilowatt hour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more motorhome related content. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. Your support means the world to us and helps us to create more videos for you to enjoy. So thanks for watching.